Welcome back to another Airtable Pro tutorial. This video is a follow-on from a previous video I made where I showed you how to create a button that can send an email using the details in the record. For example, it would automatically use the correct email address to send the email to. One of the viewers of that video, Ricardo, he requested that I take it a step further and show you guys how to actually include the name of the person in the body of the email. So thanks to Ricardo for commenting, and I'll show you how to do that in this tutorial. So I'll give you a quick demo of what we're going to be doing. So for example, say you have an orders table and you have a list of orders here with name and the email address of the person who has ordered something from you. And if you want to quickly send an email to that person, you can use the Airtable buttons feature to create a button to automatically email them. And if you're not sure how to create Airtable buttons, I'll leave a link to my previous video which shows you how to create a button in Airtable in the description below. So in this example, what will happen when we press this email button is it will automatically populate the email address with the correct one from the record, and in the body of the email it will actually populate their name. So I'll give you a quick demo of that now. So I'm going to click send email, and as you can see, their email address has appeared in the to section, and more importantly, you can see over here that their name has appeared in the body of the email, and that happens automatically. So if we look at another example, so if we go to this one here, send email, you can see that their email address has been correctly populated and the name has changed as well. So this would save you a lot of time if you were regularly emailing users or records of people in your Airtable table, because you don't have to automatically type in their name and email address every time. You just hit send email and it automatically populates it for you. So I'll show you how to do that now. So I've created a simple button. I've called it send email, and the action that we're going to use is open URL. And what we've done here is I've written this short piece of code which is what actually generates the email correctly for you using the correct email address and the correct name in the body of the text. So as you can see here, I have got the text or the code from that I put in my Airtable button. So I'll leave a link to this in the description below as well. So what we have here is we have the mail to, so that's basically telling Airtable to create a new email. We're going to use email. We're going to basically pull the email from that record. So email here refers to the email address, the email address column over here. We've got subject, which is the subject of the email, so your recent order, and in the body we've got hi and name, so it will pull their name from the name column over here, and then it adds the rest in. So it's a really simple script, so we can just copy that and we can just then paste it into here and click save, and then we're done. We click send email and it automatically puts their name, their email address in the to section, and automatically populates their name in the body of the email. So I hope this tutorial has been really useful. Thanks again, Ricardo, for commenting, and if any of you guys want me to do a tutorial on anything Airtable related, leave a link or leave a comment below, and I'll create a video for you. Or if you have a really complex workflow and want to do something more advanced and you're not sure how to do it, email me. My email address will be in the description below, and I'll be able to create a custom solution for you. So thanks again for watching, guys. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.